cut off the supercharger.
Okay, hopefully you stuck with us through that little technical difficulty. We're back for a few more minutes. Scientists are working hard here today. When we did the earlier tour, the stainless steel canisters were not in the rack. I just wanted you to notice that that's the snake that we're talking about when we talk about the whole air sampler. And again, you see many different inlets going down the side of the aircraft here. There's another set on the other side of the aircraft, and they each have different things going on because some molecules are sticky, so you have to take special measures to make sure they make it all the way to the instrument, and other ones is you can draw in the air directly and it's no problem. Talked about. There's one just like this on the top of the aircraft, and any sunlight that hits that head, it goes up a fiber optic cable and is measured on a spectrometer. And looking at those different wavelengths, we can understand at that location what the intensity of sunlight is and its ability to cause molecules to break down in the atmosphere. That feeds our simulation. And if you look straight forward, you see what looks like another little bitty engine hanging down compared to the ones to the side. That's that OH measurement I talked about. That's where you have to measure outside the aircraft because that little molecule that comes to the atmosphere is so short-lived. You have to measure down here outside the aircraft. That's probably the best thing you can see in terms of instruments. Wayne might want to show you some interesting things about the aircraft itself.
Well, so you see it's a 4-engine airplane. We do have wingtip pylons on this particular aircraft that can be mounted instruments on them. I don't think that we have any of the particular science instruments. Those are other instruments that we're flying on this particular road. Sure. That's all the probes for all the measurements, and that's one of the good things about this aircraft is we can just pull a window out and put in a metal plate, and that's an easy way to get probes mounted onto the aircraft. A modern airliner might not be able to handle that because it's designed to more with less margin in order to save money to have it over-designed because it was the 60s and they didn't have the same technology to design.